Hey there, welcome back to our brand new episode. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how can you link Xbox account to Steam. In order to link Xbox account to Steam, you'll have to follow the simple steps. So first thing first, you want to make sure that you've already installed Xbox app on your device. Then you want to go ahead and log into your Xbox account. When you're logged in, it's going to take you to the home page, which is going to look something like this. While you're on this page, you want to click on the initials or the profile from the top left hand side corner of your screen. Then you want to go ahead and click on gear icon from the top right hand side corner. As you do it, so you'll be able to see all of these information. So here under accounts, you want to click on linked account. As you click on linked account, then you want to click on link or select Steam and click on link. It is going to direct you to the official web page and click on sign in. Now you just have to go ahead and enter in the information of your Steam account. So type in or enter in the information, and once you're logged in, that will indicate you've successfully linked your Steam to Xbox. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.